Hey guys, here in this video we are going to learn how to add illustrations on the photo in the Photoshop. And if you are new to Photoshop vibes, I am requesting you to subscribe our channel. Here we will teach Photoshop from beginner to advanced. Alright, here we have to draw the rectangle. For that, select the rectangle tool, change the fill color to black, stroke to none, and hold the shift and draw the rectangle. Here we have to draw one more rectangle on top of that by holding the shift. Now change the fill to none, stroke to white with stroke size 3 pixel. Then choose the direct selection tool from the toolbar. This tool helps us to edit the paths. Then select the path. Then hit the up arrow. Do the same for another rectangle. Now choose the pen tool from the toolbar. Then change the path to shape, fill color as well as stroke color with stroke size 3 pixel. Now draw the path like this. Here it's all about how we draw the perspective. So try to achieve the precise perspective. First draw the path. Later we can adjust the path using direct selection tool. Once you are done, group the layers. Here we have some unwanted shapes, so I am going to remove those layers. Now select the group and apply the layer mask. Then choose the black rectangle. Then hold the Ctrl or Command on Mac. Then click on the thumbnail of the rectangle. It will turn into selection. Then invert the selection. Now select the mask. Then choose the eraser tool from the toolbar with the brush hardness 100%. Then make sure that your foreground color is white. Then erase like this. Then change the foreground color to black if you want to get it back. Now deselect the selection. Then bring the white outline rectangle to top. Then apply the layer mask, then erase the visible part. Now again select the pen tool to draw the droplets. That's it for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get the notification. Bye bye.